hang with only the cutest, smoking the purest new shit. Put your hands in the air, but you haters keep them in your pockets. Quit talking all of that BS. Yeah.